Cool trains in Montreal, and this is the first train I'm seeing of Via Rail. Probably headed to Ottawa though. Looks like the Ottawa train. Even though the barricades are down, I don't imagine that Via will be sending trains that way towards Toronto. Not yet. So this is the first day after the barricades have come down in Ontario, and this train here that's been there for the last week or two, maybe more, probably 3 weeks now, is sitting under the bridge. This is a container train that stretches all the way down to Taschereau Yard. Don't know if it's in the yard or not. This might be the tail end. Looks like the tail end of the train. It's been there for a while. And the Via train looks like it's ready to leave. Sort of surprised to see Via trains here, considering I'd heard they had shut down the system, so I thought maybe this was just going through deadheading. But I did see some passengers get on, so it looks like it's going to be leaving. There it goes. So the line's open. I did see one train come by just as I was coming here, and I did get the locomotive at the end of the train, a DPU, but didn't come in time to film it. Anyway, this is what's happening at Dorval now. So I'll post this the day of. If you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.